Hi, I'm Terrence, author of DIY Door Dams. If you live in an area that floods during storms or even from poor drainage, now is the time to prepare. Weather forecasters predict we could see up to 18 major storms this year. That's not a guess, that's a warning. Flooding can happen fast and cause thousands of dollars in damage. Many families still have not been able to return to their homes after last year's floods. But here's the good news. You don't have to sit back and hope it won't happen to you. I wrote DIY Door Dams to help families like yours add an extra layer of protection without spending thousands of dollars to protect your home. If you ever assemble flat pack furniture, you can build door dams to protect your home. I'll show you how to create custom door barriers using affordable materials and simple tools, most of which you probably already have at home. Don't wait until the threat of your street turning into a river. Download DIY Door Dam today and take control before the next flood hits.